Hello friends, this is Anging Faye Vlog Canada. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, today we're going to wrap a gift to a 1-year-old child. Yeah, it's my friend's granddaughter's first birthday. So, I have something here to wrap for her. I hope she gonna like this. So, stay with me while I'm wrapping this gift. Okie dokie. And I have card here. You see, 1-year-old card. See, you're a sweet little girl turning 1, and the cutest things under the sun. So coming your way is this wish to just to say, hope your birthday a whole lot of fun. Happy first birthday, Sabina. Yeah, the name is Sabina. And so, I was just thinking what to buy for her, but I don't know. Anyway, I went to Home Sense. So, I saw this one. So, maybe she will like this. Mickey Mouse, right? So, this is it, Pancit. So, let's wrap this together. How's naman mga buhay-buhay natin sa earth? I will take off muna the pricing kasi nakakahiya naman yung price. Nandito. I'm in trouble. I forgot the mother is working in the Home Sense. Holy moly! She might see the amount of this. Oh my goodness. Anyway, it's okay. It's not the price that counts. It's the thought, right, people? It's the thought that counts. So, yes. Ay, nako. Life really is tough. Yeah, tough life. Sometimes it's a happy days and sometimes it's bad days. Friends around, may mga tampuhan, mga ganyan-ganyan. But our life will not stop there. It doesn't matter kung sinong, whatever we feel that day, but still life must go on. Because you know what? Because life is not only a bed of roses. There's always a somehow opposite of what we feel today. Yes. This is mini activity right on. Okay. Toot. Where's the toot here? Oh, there you go. See? So, I'm gonna show you. Baka okay, I'll gonna show you there is a function over here. This one. Maybe if you're going to, you don't. You see that? This is for Lady Pandakikoy. Oops, my goodness. This is for Lady Pandakikoy kasi isip bata eh. Inuubo ako. Ay nako, nahulog tuloy itong ano ko. Ano ba? So, let's start. Start. Ang daming mga lumilipad na pangalan niya. Lumilipad na mga panik sa live. Paano ko nabatuan yun? Ganun. Hirap naman ito balutin. Ano ba yan? Paano ka ito balutin? Hirap magbalot ng ganito pa gano'n. Uneven. Ano nga ba sinasabi ko? Yeah, if we have things in life, we just have to move on whatever it is, because life is not all about a bed of roses. It is always an opposite of what we feel, but it will not last longer because you know what? There is always tomorrow. So we just have to to learn how to let go of things in our life, or else we're gonna be miserable. Ano ba yan? Kasi may ubo ako. Ayan. Ubo na naman. Ano naman ang life? Either ubo or hindi ubo. Di ba, Lady Pandakikoy? Ay, naku, Lady Pandakikoy. Mamamatay pa man din si Lady Pandakikoy kung walang wifi. May gulay, may gulay. Ang ano, that is the power of YT supporter. Hopefully naman ay si Lady Pandakiko ay bakit na ba si Lady Pandakiko yung picture of the day ko today? Kasi hindi naka-premiere dahil wala daw siyang wifi and very sad daw siya. Jesus, my goodness. May tomorrow pala. Darlene, may tomorrow pa. So don't be sad. Kasi life is talagang ganun. Sometimes pinahinga ka lang ni Lord kasi you're too much. You're so busy on earth, here and there and everywhere. Can you imagine 2 times every day, 2 times a day ka mag-premiere? Can you imagine sinong kaya nyo yan? Hindi ko yan kaya, ha. Wala akong power sa ganyan. 2 times a day mag-premiere. Ay, sus. Papa Pons nga, tinamad na mag-premiere. This week, walang premiere. Ay, naku. Si Ranger talaga. Iwan na lang si Papa Pons. Tawa lang ng tawa. Mayroon kasi ang mga pakusing-kusing ngayon na inaano yung mata. Ang tawag noon. Kung sa Bisaya pa, gilibat niya yung mata niya. Ang daming gimmick sa earth, no? Ay, naku, Lord. Si Choco, ano namang gimmick mo, Choco? Lagi ka nang kumakanta, Choco, ah. Sino bang dinidikit-dikitan mo sa premiere mo, Choco? Sa mga kanta mo, Choco. Ay, naku, nakapos man, oh. Kapos siya. Kapos palad. Naku. Ano na ba yung ano ko? Hala? 4 minutes na. Plus 3 equals 4 plus 3 equals what? Mahina na yung math ko ngayon, kaka-whitey. Ay. Whitey pa mo. Nakakabubo pala itong whitey, no? Hindi ka na marunong mag-add. Ano nga ba ito? Pariho ba ito? Wala naman ka ano itong aking gift. Walang ka bisi-bisinte. Ang even kasi my goodness, kawawang bata. Buti pa earrings na lang pala yung binili ko. Ano? Hindi ko naisip yun. Saan nga ba pala ako pumunta dito? Ay, didn't go there. Wala palang jewelry dito sa pinuntahan ko. Dapat pala pumunta ako sa ibang jewelry store. Walang nagmamadali kasi ako dati. Bakit nga ba kami nagmamadali? Galing kasi nag-baby shower. Tapos dumaan lang sa etc. So, ayan. See? O, diba? Nice na. Although it's not nice, but really just to pretend that this is nice because I cannot do anything about this anymore. Because it's uneven, so it will be just a surprise for them. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Angging P Vlog. Mega love shout out to everybody. My members, all of you, thank you for always the update, and also my super chatters and followers and friends and subscribers. Meron nga ba akong followers? Oh my goodness. Ano ko lang yun, feeling ko lang yun. And also, special thanks to Sis Marie, and Miss Manalo, Miss Kayak, and of course, Imelda Ingram's Angels. Make a love shout out everyone. I love you people. God bless us always. This is Angging P Vlog, Canada. Pusa pala.